Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video and we're back for more unboxing. Yes, unboxing. Are you excited to see another unboxing video for me? I've been doing a lot of unboxing. This is part of the Black Friday sale haul and also the Cyber Monday sales. Previously we did unboxing of Tory Burch bag and I've mentioned that I've been buying Tory Burch items during this season's sale. And we're going to do another unboxing of Tory Burch. Yep, it's a big one. Look at that! It's a big box. So, if you want to see what's inside this box, please keep on watching. So before we start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing. And for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. So let's do another unboxing. Big box from Tory Burch. There's only 2 items in here. So I was surprised when I saw the box when it came. It was big. It's a little ripped on this part and also on this side. So hopefully everything is okay. And let's do this. Unboxing time for you guys. This is also part of their 30% discount when you spend $200 on certain items. Not all Tory Burch bags were part of the event, and also at the time when I purchased these bags, RAKUTEN. I use RAKUTEN. I think I have 10% rebate for RAKUTEN on Tory Burch. That was like Black Friday, and I think Cyber Monday the rebate went up to 12%. I think, or maybe it went up to 15%, but I'm not sure. As far as I can remember, they went up. They were 10% rebate when I purchased this one, and then it went up like 12%. So here it is. Here is the item. I got my receipt in here. Got a card. I don't know what I wrote in here. Maybe same happy birthday. Oh yeah, happy birthday, and it's still the same at the top. I don't know. Michael Kors wrote it better than Tory Burch when it comes to cards. So here is what the inside looks like with the air paper. And I can't remember if I asked them to gift wrap it, but this time it is wrapped. Look at that. Got 2 items here. Ooh, this one is heavy. I like the previous gift packaging on the previous bag compared to this one. This one is what I usually see. So I got 2 items from Tory Burch, and let's start with this smaller one. It feels light, so maybe this is the tote. So let's open this. Oh, this is not the tote. Oh, this is a different one. Oh, I remember now. Because I ordered a lot from Tory Burch. This one was on sale when I got this. I have to wear my glasses again. Yeah, I think it was on sale, and then I was able to use the 30% discount. So the price went down more than the regular price. Yeah, this one was on sale for $159, and I used 30% off from this one. This is the Ella printed tote in blue marina. Yeah, this was on sale. I was surprised when I typed in Ella tote. This was not showing. But then when I was just browsing the sale products, like I think from the Facebook page that they show this one, and then I clicked the link to Tory Burch. But yes, this is nice. I like it. Look at the bottom. It's leather. And then, this is not brand new from the factory. As you can see, there's no more packaging. but it's still nice. It still has the tag. Let's remove this and let's remove the part, and then we'll see what's inside this bag. It's the same print on this side and it's the same at the other side. It doesn't have that like logo like the leather Tory Burch. It just have that T printed on the bag. So it looks nice. The handle strap is leather and I like the color. It has that contrast stitching. And let's look at the inside of the bag. Here you go. It has that slip pocket and a zipper pocket on the other side. So at the side it has snap closure, and that's the design on the side of the bag. It's nice. It's good for summer. When you go out, go to Hawaii, or go to the beach, or picnic at the park, this is a nice bag. But it would be nicer if there's like a big leather here with the Tory Burch logo. Like one with the leather and the other one is just this one. But this particular bag is just the same back to back. So yes, that's our first item, the Tory Burch Ella Tote in Blue Marina. Now let's proceed to our second item. Just like it's cramped in there. But let's see what's inside. Oh, this one didn't come with a dust bag. How come? Usually Tory Burch, the Ella Tote that I got has a dust bag, but that one didn't come with a dust bag. So, ooh, look at that. Look at that. When I was trying to purchase this one, it says one item remaining. So I grabbed the opportunity to buy it. This is the, what do you call this one? Perry. This is the Perry Triple-Compartment Tote in the color Calendula. How do you say it in English? I mean, how do you pronounce it? Calendula. I was looking at the Perry tote. Their regular colors, their neutral colors, was not on sale. So I said, I'll wait until it goes on sale. And then Cyber Monday came and I saw the lighter blue color. It was on sale and it was also part of the event, which you can get 30% discount. But it was already sold out. So when I clicked the item, there's two more colors that's on sale. The other one sold out right away. And this is the only one left. So this one was priced $199 and then deduct the 30% from that. So yes, I was expecting more like orangey yellowish color, but this one is like bright yellow. It's what do you call, like neonish color yellow. So it's more like not a fall color for me, it's more of a summer colors. I don't know if the camera doesn't like catching the real color of this bag, but as you can see, it has a packaging on the handle and it all. Oh, this one didn't have a dust bag as well. How come? If it's on sale, it doesn't have a dust bag. Is that how it is? Oh, there's a dust bag. Here it is. There's a dust bag for this bag. Nice. I like that. But the other one, the Ella Tote, didn't come with a dust bag. So I've watched Sergio's Secret and Chase Amy saying they are raving about the Perry tote. This is a good alternative tote bags from the luxury brands. So I got curious. So I said, why not? Why not buy one while it's on sale, right? It's not a loud Tory Burch. All you can see is that gold embossing saying Tory Burch. But other than that, I don't see any like big logo from Tory Burch. Let's see here. Oh, so that's where the Tory Burch logo is. The inside of the bag looks like this. It has 3 compartments. The middle compartment has a zipper closure. Let's see. Wow, look at that. I guess a laptop will fit in here, but I'm not sure if my 15-inch laptop will fit. The inner lining of the bag feels like it feels leather. It's like this one, the outer leather and the gray leather is like one whole piece that has different color. It's like grayish color. And then the middle one is tan. And then the bottom of this middle compartment is not attached at the bottom. So this is the front of the bag. This is the side. This is the back. There's no like back pocket. And the bottom, there's no feet. So yes, that's it for our Tory Burch unboxing video for today. I'm not sure if I like the color. It's just a little too bright for me. It matches my outfit though. So yes, let's do a quick try on this bag to give you an idea how does it look like. So let's do a try on the Perry tote. Over my shoulder, looks like that. I like the handle drop, the shoulder strap. Like it's not too close to my armpit. Let's do a quick comparison with the Coach bag. Coach bag looks like this. Almost the same handle drop, which is nice. Yeah. The Perry tote looks bigger because of the middle compartment. Now let's try on this Ella tote. This is nice. I like it. Look at that. So that's it for our unboxing video for today. The Perry tote and the Ella tote from Tory Burch. If you happen to like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!